We can see that the bearings found in a quarry are bearings that are really subject to significant pollution problems.
Very often, our bearings are aimed at maintenance managers. And a maintenance manager's ultimate goal is to maintain maximum production by reducing maintenance operations.
Across the entire facility, we are shut down for a third of the year due to breakdowns, bearings, and routine maintenance. The constraints are dust, noise, the weather, and frost.
The bearings we'll find are mainly spherical roller bearings. These are open sheet metal cage bearings which are very sensitive to this type of contamination.
To address this issue, we have developed a spherical roller bearing with deflectors called ROX. It is a unique solution on the market and is patented. The big challenge was to combine robustness with ease of use. ROX has two advantages. The first is these deflectors, which, combined with appropriate lubrication, help to preserve the bearing over time and reduce grease consumption. The second advantage is its nitrided cage, which provides increased impact resistance. A significant advantage of ROX is that it can be installed instead of a standard open bearing without modifying your application.
ROX is primarily intended for quarry conveyor applications. It performs particularly well in this type of application, with lifespans which are at least doubled and up to 5 times longer. Basically, to sum up, I would say that the more difficult the application, the better it will perform and the longer it will last on the application. If the lifespan is at least doubled, then we will halve the maintenance frequency on the application.
Whether it be in terms of speed, temperature, assembly, adjustment, and accessories, all these elements are identical to a standard bearing. In terms of design, the deflectors are welded 360 degrees on the cage. They allow for misalignment of the bearing and control of radial clearance during assembly.
The ROX bearing was born out of the relationship we have on a daily basis with our customers and those in charge of maintenance. What I see every day from feedback in the field and talking to maintenance technicians is that the ROX bearing is more durable, more robust, and ultimately more practical to use.
Clearly, ROX has proven itself in applications, not only in mining and quarrying, but also in other applications such as steelworks, cement works, cardboard factories, industrial fans, and glass processing. And we plan to deploy it in other types of applications as well.
For me, ROX is the solution for extreme applications in terms of robustness and ease of use.
In short, ROX replaces standard bearings on the market. If there's one figure you need to remember, it's the number 2. Twice the service life in applications and at least half the regreasing. ROX is the all-terrain bearing designed for demanding applications.